Ready, check to go.
Refresh Earth Shield on Peppy, please.
Waiting on Durdock.
Remember to pre-pop between 2 and 3.
5,
Nope.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Hero now.
Take the soldiers away from the skull.
Feldspars and a shield.
Beware.
Operator's almost dead. Be ready to move. Move now. Speed buff.
Speed buff. All DPS on the skull. All DPS on the skull. Peppy, keep the soldier away from the skull.
Moving back.
Focus on the skull. Don't worry about the soldier. Don't worry about the operators. Okay, now we can work them.
One more bomb on Peppy's side. 6 more on green.
Beware.
Maybe it's 5. No, now it's 5.
My operator is down. There's a bomb right there on the ground. You guys can grab it. Take it to the door. Get away from the door if somebody's grabbing the bomb.
A
new operator.
Operator came out right as your door came down.
Do is not.
All
You get that
DPS on the
operator.
operator.
Stay behind the operators.
Beware.
All DPS on the operator. Don't worry about anything else.
Bring them together.
Move him out the shield.
The operator shouldn't. It shouldn't matter if the operator is in the shield, or is it the?
He does.
They get
defense,
affected now.
defense
Beware.
damage taken reduced significant.
All right.
Peppy, bring him.
Take our bombs where? Give me a fucking second.
Relax. My op.
He's dead. Big guy's down.
Bring all your ads over to purple, please.
Beware.
Elemental group, go start working on the elementalist, please, if you have.
Careful on that slag elemental that's up. It needs to get to skull before it dies.
Yep, I'm getting him there. He's there now.
Get him a little close.
Everybody
guy's
take a
down.
deep
He's
breath. Everybody take a deep
Elemental's
breath. Relax. Let's bring the ads over to the right-hand side.
Beware.
There's 2 fire collars stuck by the primal elemental. I can't get him out. There we go.
Chain one down.
Please do not root the fire callers. We need to get them to
Get him
the
out of the
tank.
shield. Out of the shield.
Need a slag.
Get that slag over to the elementalist, please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's one here.
Beware.
Work on that slag right next to the elementalist.
onto the primal.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
2, 1.
What in the world? Why are these guys all the way? Why is a ring in the soldier? The ring right there in the elementalist area.
It doesn't affect the elemental.
Yeah, but how did that happen? What pulled them over there?
Beware.
I don't know.
Alright, that one's down.
Move the element.
Who's got an elementalist?
Peppy, bring the soldiers over to the right-hand side.
I need a slag over here.
I've got one.
Slayer,
I'm bringing
bring
him over. I'm bringing him. I'm already done. I gotta get him closer. There you go.
Beware.
Come on.
5,
Burn down that slag. Okay, burn down that elementalist. There's only like one soldier up, so you can focus on.
Beware.
That's just fine.
And more DPS on this elementalist.
Focus on the elementalist. Get him down.
Beware.
5, 4,
We got like 3 slags up or 4.
That one's down. We're down to the last chain.
Beware.
There's a slag elemental towards the wall that's almost down. Drag that one to the moon, right? There you go.
Beware.
No, don't run away with it. Don't run away with it. Where are you going?
Oh, shh.
Why did you run away?
There's one right here next to it. He's almost dead.
Check people's health. Make sure that people are not below 50% health. Tap them up if they are.
We got it. I was about to call for a healing tide too.
No, I've seen Night Force die twice already at this stage, so I don't want him to die again.
Elementalist got healed.
Right.
How did he heal up?
He's down.
Alright, everybody use cooldowns.
Clean up ads. Fire callers first.
Fire callers.
Stay away from the front of the boss. Peppy has it. Peppy, when you get 2, 3, I have to taunt off.
The fire collar's in a shield. We need to move the ball.
3 on me. Take.
I got him. When's hero available?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Keep working on those ads. Use cooldowns. Don't let yourselves die.
Ads are down. Everyone on the block.
New slag is up.
Beware.
Peppy, I got 2. Wait for 3 and then you. I'm at half health. I'm below half health.
Beware.
Elemental about to pop. Move away.
Beware.
Peppy, you got 2. I'm gonna talk.
Beware.
elemental's about to move away from him.
We got thunder down. Thunder, can you pop?
Beware.
Move the boss a bit, please.
You want me to battle res?
Don't use the battery. Hero, please. Keep the tanks up. Keep the tanks up. Don't let them die. Battle res that person that died. He's a priest. Wild pop. We got the fucker.
Hahoo!
Congrats,
Motherfucker!
guys. We are 9 of 9. 9 of 10. Nice work, guys. You guys all learned it. You worked it out. That's awesome.
We be awesome.
This is the gear that.
Can we get some res?
Yes, please. Res.
No.
Thunder and Glory.